Service ace for Legazpi. Estayo. Sinet kay Ancheta. Blocked. Estayo want to play. Ando si Legazpi. Domondon to Turqueza. To Javilio. Too much muscle on that attack. Sa opposite, Dumondon, itinaas ang bola. Free ball, Estayo to Ancheta. And she is blocked. And we are now tied at 7. Biggest lead kanina ay 5.
Legazpi still serving. Estayo to Okado, block, but will sail outside. Serving, Javilio. Opposite, block. Javilio. And that is an ace for Team Alaminos. Back to 3-point lead. Dumundon. They open. Okado finds a great spot.
Misreceived. Itinaas ni Domondon. Free ball for Team Alaminos. Estayo, sinet kay Ancheta. And a point for jersey number 11.
Still serving, jersey number 3, Javilio.
Sharp serve. Dumondon to Turqueza. Dun si Okado. Estayo, itinaas kay Go. But not over. We're seeing Team Labrador. Nandito na sila. Okado pushes. And a point for jersey number 12. I mean jersey number 2.
Serving, jersey number 2, Okado. Dumundon. And that will be a point for Team Alaminos. Official score, 14, serving 8. Good serve. Dumundon. Tinas para kay Turqueza. Andun si Javilio. Estayo para kay Okado sa likod. Dumundon. Sa gitna para kay Legazpi. No, check that. That is Pangilinan. Point for Team Sual. Turqueza. Service error. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos. 15 serving 9. Serving jersey number 11, Ancheta. Turqueza gets that first ball. And that will be a point for jersey number 14. Dumondon to Agimbag. Estayo. Go couldn't get that spike go through.
Pangilinan. Received by Ancheta. 1-2 play. Choust. Tinaas. Dumondon. Backsets to Pangilinan. Legazpi rather, sorry. Agimbag. To go. Masyadong mataas. Substitution for Team Alaminos. 14 out, Lalas in.
Pangalinan. Estayo to Lalas. Dumondon is there. Agimbag for the free ball. Estayo to the middle. And that is blocked. Point for Team Swal. Pangilinan. Estayo 1-2 play. That will work for Team Alaminos. Lalas. Turquesa gets the first ball. To Legazpi. Habilio. Block, but will go outside. Point for Team Alaminos. 4-point lead na lang ang nila inaalagaan ng Team Alaminos, partner. 17 serving 13.
Slowly pulling away. Dumondon will give a free ball. Estayo itinaas para kay Habilio. Andun si Turquesa. Dumondon, but free ball for Team Alaminos City. Estayo, 1-2 play. She's been doing that since yesterday, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Mga naka 6 points din siya doing that kahapon.
Yes, and the timeout here called for Team Swal. This is just the first game sa ating 10 matches for today.
Lalas. Short serve. Dumondon.
Regalo. Andun yung libero. Dumondon to Legazpi. Habilio's there. Estayo, 1-2 play. To Habilio
Habilio.
again. Receive mo, follow mo, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Cover mo. Follow mo din, partner. Lala still serving. Turquesa is there. Dumondon. Togimbag. No, check that. That is Legazpi. Good ball. Dumondon. To Agimbag. Block. And it will be a point for Team Swal. Agimbag serving.
Rotational error for Alaminos City.
Habilio is blocked, but it will be a point for Team Alaminos. Estayo. Agimbag for the first ball. Dumundon. Dumundon for the 1-2 play. Ancheta will play setter to Habilio. Still a convertible point for Team Alaminos. Free ball para sa Team Alaminos. Estayo to Ocado. Powers that down for a 22 serving 15. 7-point lead. Estayo still serving. And that is and service ace. Timeout. Team Sual.
You're still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, Day 9, here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
Still serving jersey number 4, Estayo. Dumundon to Legaspi. Free ball para sa Team Alaminos. Estayo. Ancheta. That will be out. Dumundon.
Ocado is blocked. Dumundon. Sharp serve. Estayo, one hand set to Ocado. Andun si Dumundon. Turqueza. Estayo to the open. Masyadong dikit. Another point for Team Sual. 5-point lead. One hand
Estayo.
set. Tinaas ng libero. Free ball by Legaspi. Estayo. Isiset kay Ocado. And a point for Alaminos City. Set point.
Serving for the match. No, set, brother. Ancheta. Turqueza. Estayo, hinabol ang bola para kay Habilio. Dumundon was there. Agimbag itinaas ang bola. Miscommunication. Free ball for Team Alaminos. Ancheta sa gitna. Dog. Dumundon. Legaspi, and that is a point for Team Sual. (24-19). Estayo. Ginawa ng paraan ni Ocado. Dumundon. To Pangalinan. Estayo. Gitna para kay Ancheta. Drops that ball. Lalas para sa free ball. Dumundon. To Turqueza. Drops ball. Habilio. Drops ball 2. Turqueza plays 1-2. Estayo. And that will end our first set. Courtesy of jersey number 11, Ancheta.
So habang nagpapahinga partner ang ating mga manlalaro para sa second set, samahan po muna ninyo kami no, sa ilang mga mahalagang balita tungkol sa mga programa at proyekto ng ating mahal na gobernador Ramon Monmon Vigica III.
Tama, alam naman natin na ang sports ay isang paraan para mapag-isa ang bawat bayan. Pero bukod sa sports, marami ring programa ang provincial government na patuloy na nagbibigay ng serbisyo at oportunidad sa Pangasinense.
Kaya sa susunod na ilang minuto ay kukwento namin sa inyo ang ilan sa mga legacy programs at mga proyektong nagpapatunay sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng ating lalawigan. Unahin natin dito ang kalusugan dahil para kay Governor Gico, mahalagang maging healthy ang bawat Pangasinense.
At alam ba ninyo na ang Pangasinan ang kauna-unahang probinsya sa buong Pilipinas na nagpatupad ng hospitalization sa lahat ng 14 provincial government hospitals. Isang malaking tulong ito para sa ating mga kababayan.
Hindi lang yan, patuloy ring umiikot sa iba't ibang bayan ng WeConsulta Plus, isang one-stop government service na hatid mismo sa mga barangay.
Dito, libre ang medical consultation, may libreng gamot, veterinary services para sa ating mga alagang hayop, employment assistance, pamimigay ng seedlings at asin, at meron na ring libreng legal aid sa pakikipagtulungan ng IBP Pangasinan Chapter.
Alam mo ba partner na nag-umpisa na rito sa Alaminos City ang WeConsulta at magpapatuloy pa ito sa July 27 sa Barangay Santa Maria at sa susunod na rin ang Barangay Amanchego, Barangay Bisocol, Barangay Kibuar at Barangay Alos.
Kaya mga kabalian, inaanyayahan ang lahat ng residente ng mga nabanggit na barangay na samantalahin ang pagkakataong makapagpakonsulta at makapagpa-enroll sa mga programang pangkalusugan ng PhilHealth.
Serbisyong pangkalusugan ilalapit sa inyong komunidad, sama-sama nating isulong ang mas malusog at mas maunlad na Pangasinan.
Mangyari lamang po na bisitahin ang Western Pangasinan, District Hospital page para sa mga schedule ng mga nasabing barangay.
Domondon sets it to the open. Andun si Javilio. Marie will set it to the open. First point, Team Alaminos City. Javilio. Andun yung libero. Domondon. Marie. Kapalo. Error for jersey number 1, Turquesa. Go. Itataas para kay Legaspi. First point for Team Swal. Good reception to Javilio again. Another point for jersey number 3.
Powerful attack coming from jersey number 3, Habilio. Now serving jersey number 12, Marie. Dumondon to Turqueza. Andun si Go. Habilio chases that one, but hindi na may angat ang bola.
Miscommunication on the part of Habilio and Marie. Ranches. Sinet sa open. Andun si Agimbag. Itinaas. Legaspi drop ball. Marie will set it to the middle. Naitaas. But error for jersey number 6. Service error for Ison.
Legaspi. Marie. To
That is outside for Ancheta.
Legaspi still serving. Service error for Team Swal.
One-point lead here.
Habilio now serving.
Too
Palitan.
strong.
Serving. Turqueza. Go. Dumundon to her sister. Marie. Tinas para kay Go. Free ball. Dumundon ginawa ng paraan. Miscommunication. Free ball para sa Team Swal. Pangilinan gets that point. Turquesa still serving. Marie. Go. Attack error for Team Alaminos. And a 2-point lead for Team Alaminos ay Team Swal. 7 serving 5.
Dumondon. Sinet sa middle. Push. Go. Drops. Finally, Go scores.
A sigh of relief for jersey number 14 partner.
Indeed.
Ranches with the service ace. And after a service ace, commits a service error. Serving jersey number 6. Pangilinan. Marie to go. And that will be a point once again for jersey number 14. Go. Ancheta. Service ace for jersey number 11, Ancheta. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Alaminos. 9 serving 8. Legaspi. Dumondon para sa free ball. Marie 1-2 play. Dumondon to Agimbag. Ranches plays setter to go.
That is outside. Deadlock at 9. Nakikita natin na preparing na ang Team Labrador and Team Agno. Dahil sila na po ang next game. Havilio. Marie. Sinet sa open. Point for Ison.
Go serving. Agimbag. Andun si Ranches. Habilio. Marie Pinalo.
Tinaas. Free ball for Alaminos City. Marie isiset sa back row but free ball. Domondon. To Legaspi. Dog. Free ball again for Alaminos City. Marie isiset sa middle. Blocked. And then yung libero. Legaspi. Off speed. Free ball for Team SWA. Long rally of the match. To Legaspi. Dug by Havilio. Masyadong dikit sa net. Point for Alaminos City.
Taga Pangasinan nga to si Habilio, partner. Dahil truly, Pangasinan, ang galing.
Marie sets it to the open. Then si Turquesa. Agimbag. Ison, andun yung libero. Dumondon. Free ball again for Alaminos City. What a defense. Marie. Havilio soft touch. Nakuha pa rin. Legaspi. Andun yung libero. Marie to Ison.
And that will be a point for Team Alaminos. What a great game for these two teams, partner.
Yes, good decision. Humingi na po sila ng timeout dahil hinihingal na ang mga players ng both teams natin. Wow, they're just smiling and enjoying the game.
Very true, partner. Both teams are enjoying this game. First game of this match.
Still serving. Go. 3-0 run here. Domondon isiset sa middle but masyadong malakas.
Go, still serving. Turquesa para kay Legaspi but won't go through. Point for Team SWAL. No, Alaminos rather. 5-point lead. Imana in, Legaspi out. Go, still serving. Turquesa to Imana, drops ball. Habilio kinaliwa but won't get through. Dumundon.
Sharp serve. Tataas ni Ranches. Dumundon isiset kay Turqueza. That is off the block. Dumundon to Turqueza again. Blocked by Javilio. Itinaas. Free ball for Alaminos City. Marie to Javilio. Good ball. Cover. Agimbag. And that catches the line.
Iniwasan na ni Ranches dahil akala niya mag-outside na yon partner, but it is inside. Point for Team Swal. Still serving jersey number 10.
Marie chases Javilio. Andun yung libero. Imana swipes it off the block off Ison.
She celebrates as that point, partner.
I think that's her first point for this match. 1 point lead. And a service ace by jersey number 10. Deadlock at 14. Another sharp serve. Marie chases. Free ball. Dumundon ibibigay sa middle block. No coverage there on the part of Team Swal.
Medyo may pa-flex pa doon si jersey number 10, partner.
Yes. Marie. What happened there?
That will be a free point for Team Swal.
Yes, unforced error.
Agimbag. Marie to Javilio in the middle. Ison serving.
Imana misreceives that one. And miscommunication for Turqueza and the libero.
Turqueza. Free ball para sa Team Alaminos. Marie. Ancheta. Adon ng libero. Imana. Turqueza for the free ball. Marie. Point for Team Alaminos once again. 3-point lead. 18 serving 15. Ison still serving. Good serve. And that will be a service ace for jersey number 10.
And timeout for Team Swal. Official score 19-15.
Ison. Good serve. Legaspi to Turqueza. Marie, who will she go to? Habilio. Nandun si Dumundon. Turqueza plays the setter. Pangilinan. Good ball. Habilio. Block.
That is not over. Point for Team Swal.
Legaspi is back on the court, partner. A while ago, she was limping.
She's okay now. Ancheta. Marie, back set to running Ancheta. And a point for jersey number 11.
Running Ancheta works for Team Alaminos. Point 20. Serving 16. Habilio. Dumondon to her sister. Marie. Go. Five-point lead para sa Team Alaminos. 21 serving 16. Dumondon ginawa ng paraan. Ranches. Tinaas para kay Go.
Back-to-back points for jersey number 14.
Go.
Serving jersey number 3, Havilio. Dumondon itataas para kay Pangilinan, but she is blocked. 23-16. Alaminos is 2 points away.
Still serving. Habilio.
Dumondon. And another error. Match point for Team Alaminos City.
Serving for the match. Turqueza.
Net violation there, and that ends the first match between Alaminos City and Team Swal. Winner,
Alaminos City. Congratulations to both teams. Team Swal and Team Alaminos.
wag po kayong aalis dahil marami pa pong susunod na mga laro after this one.
ang dami-dami pala nila. Sabi nila, 6 lang. Tapos ang dami nila. Tapos 3 kayo. Kaya may 6, pinunta sila.
Sama ko na mag-interview. Sige. Pwede naman.
Sapatos, sabi natin.
Wala na.
What a great way to start our games here in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nakita naman natin mula sa dalawang municipalities that they gave long rallies, all-out effort, and also teamwork sa loob ng court. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from our undefeated team for this season. Alaminos City, player number 3, Josane Havilio, having 11 attacks and 1 ace. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. Since this is your 4 times na best player of the game. Ano yung specific na experience mo na talagang nakapagbigay sa'yo or reason kung bakit mas naging malakas ka in your volleyball career?
Para sa akin po, syempre yung consistency po sa training, tas pakikinig po sa mga, syempre sa coach po namin, and pakikisama din po sa teammates. Po
Yes, totoo. Very important kasi na talagang meron pa rin yung teamwork ninyo. And also, dapat di kayo tumitigil sa pagtitraining. So, paano nyo i-maintain yung unbeaten record ninyo for this season?
Yun nga po yung sinabi ko po, consistency po sa pagtitraining po namin lagi. Tapos pakikinig po sa mga coaching staff namin, kila Ma'am Mads po, kila Sir Cloyd po. Tapos yung communication po sa team po.
Important din kasi na may communication kayo sa loob ng court para syempre mas maganda yung magiging laro ninyo. So, ano naman message mo sa mga supporters ninyo or sa mayor ninyo?
Unang-una po, Mayor, 6-0 na po kami yung sapatos namin! Sila kong art din po, BM June, yung sapatos po namin. Tapos thank you po sa mga supporters namin. Kay mama ko po nanonood pa. Tapos yung elite bag po namin, thank you po. Tapos yung Ison pa,
Family!
Ancheta family! Si mama ko, si papa ko nanonood sa bahay!
Mari family!
Si mama ko yung siyempre nanonood!
Thank you so much and again, congratulations. This is where it ends our first game here in the Women's Division. Volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our page because meron pa tayong games. Marami pa tayong games for today. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.